Hi, all, Liz here, and I wanted to talk to you about the ISSA Residential Networking Event that is happening at the end of August. I believe it's starting on the 21st in Charleston, South Carolina at Castle Keepers. Now, if you haven't heard about this event yet, I'm sorry. We are trying to get the information out there, and wow, there are a lot of different channels to try to get the message out to. I just had a couple of people today tell me that they had heard nothing about it. I'm sorry about that. Here we go. So if you've already heard about it, go ahead, check out that. I'm not going to say anything new that you haven't already heard, but if you haven't heard about it, go ahead, stay put. It might be something that you're really, really interested in. So you're going to find the link below, or maybe it's above. I'm not sure where they're going to put it. To be able to register and to be able to get some more written information. You can get the details about the price and the times of the agenda and all that good stuff. But the basics is this. On Monday, the 21st, it starts in the morning, and Sharon Timberg will be there, and she'll be doing her training. She'll be giving everybody who's there a lot of education about not only her training system, although it is her training system also, but training in general, some things that you need to know to be able to make sure your people are getting trained effectively and so that they can perform productively. So hugely valuable education. If you haven't been to this event that she puts on, highly, highly valuable. Try to make time just for that. After that, we will have a box lunch and we'll have a tour of Castle Keepers. And then after that, we have an afternoon of education and fun. And it should be a good time. We will be talking about the ABCs of running your business. We'll be talking about how to run your business from a new perspective, a perspective of running your business as a profitable business instead of just, counting the people that you're cleaning for or counting your number of cleaning professionals, but actually using your data to figure out how to be a more successful and more profitable business. All righty, let's see. I had something really important I wanted to say about this. What was it? Oh, there's a favorite speaker that's going to be on in the afternoon, and that is Aja. So if you're one of the people that absolutely loves Aja, join the crowd. Me too. I love watching her speak. So she'll be speaking along with Tom and myself and Aja and Gosha, and those two together, they're pretty amazing too. And should be a great day, beginning to end, 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock, and then we'll probably do some type of an event in the evening. All right, now there is a special going on with this right now. I'm not even sure when you're going to see this video, when it's going to post. So I'm not sure when the special will be over with. You need to go check that link there. It's a hefty special to be able to go to this day. I believe it's $150. And if you sign up before the special is over, it's $50 off. So a third off. That's for one person. So every person that you bring, you get that same discount. All right. So that's Monday, the 21st. Now, if you're already flying in, you might want to stay and do a couple of other things. On Tuesday and Wednesday, Made Central is doing their Made Central live event where they give all of the ins and outs of Made Central, and they help you really figure out how to use the data in your company to run your company. I help you figure out where the data is, what it means, how to use that, what kind of reports there are, and all of the basic things that you need to know, obviously, to be able to use the software to the fullest extent. All right, so that's a 2 full day event. That is a lot of information, a lot of presenters. They have a lot of breakouts. It's a lot. It's a busy day. You'll have to go and register for that. I believe that right now, if you sign up, it's about $4.95 a person, probably a discount for a second person. Check out that link. And then if you're already in town, you already got a hotel, maybe you'll want to stay for my event as well. On Thursday and Friday, I'm doing a 2-day event. Super excited about this event. It's a brand new off-site event that I haven't done in this way before. It is about how to lead and manage your company. So how do you lead the people that are working for you using the data that you're most likely going to be getting from Made Central? And how do you manage your company using this data? So some of the questions that we're going to be answering that I know people struggle with is, how do I know when I can add on another office person? Should I be using cars or not cars? Do I need an office? How do I transition to another way of operating my business? What's next for me? I'm doing a 1.5 million, and now what? How do I use these numbers to figure out where I go next and what I'm doing? If you're having any of these kinds of questions or problems, you might want to stick around for Thursday and Friday. Manage and lead by the numbers. All right, that's it. It's August 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and 25th. 5 full days of education. And again, the link's either up there or down there, and you can get all of the information as well as the pricing, depending on the reason I'm not giving you all the details is depending on what you sign up for, you get bigger discounts. So if you sign up for 1 program, you get this discount. You sign up for 2, you get this discount. You sign up for 3, all of them, you get an even bigger discount. Check out the link if you think that this sounds like something you're interested in. You don't have to go to all 3 either. You can just go to one piece of the entire puzzle. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you soon. Bye.